Okay, let me show you guys how to make the best Big Mac sliders I have ever had. Alright, we're going to start by making our Big Mac sauce. I'm going to add some mayonnaise into a bowl. I'm using Duke's mayonnaise. I'm going to add in a little bit of French dressing. I used to use ketchup, but then I started using that French dressing, y'all. That was some distilled vinegar. That's some sweet relish going in and some onions. Go ahead and dump that in. Mix this all up, stir it on up just like that. And next I'm going to add in just a little bit of paprika and some onion powder. You can also add in a bit of sugar. That tastes really good in here. Just a little bit. And if you can make this sauce the day before, do it because it gets even better the next day. Okay, we're done with the sauce. We're going to put it in the fridge. Okay, now I went ahead and prepped all of my toppings, my lettuce, onions, pickles, cheese, got my little Big Mac sauce. Everything's ready to go. I also went ahead and toasted my buns, just brushed them with some butter, threw them in the oven to get them nice and toasty. I also toasted the underside of my tops and sprinkle some sesame seeds on them. So then I'm just going to place a slice of cheese on the bottom buns, and I'm using potato buns because I love potato buns, so good. Okay, so for our ground beef, we're using double the beef. We want this to be like really beefy and juicy and all that good stuff. I'm going to sprinkle on some burger seasonings just like that. I probably should have done this in the bowl, but yeah, I get a little lazy sometimes, you know. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just brown this on up just like this right here. We're gonna drain off that grease. We don't need all that grease. And once you drain off the grease, go ahead and throw in your slices of cheese. I think I did like 8 slices of cheese. This is gonna kind of act like a glue to hold all that meat together, because before I didn't do this and it was like the meat was just falling all over the place, and I said, oh, cheese, yes, adding that cheese in there makes it taste the bomb, and it kind of holds everything together so good. And next is the part that I like. I don't know why, but I like doing this part. Just go ahead and spoon that ground beef right on top of these little buns. Kind of spread it out so that it's in a nice even layer, and don't leave any meat in that pan. Use it all, honey. Okay, so now I'm gonna pop this into the oven just to kind of melt that cheese on the bottom. I like everything to be nice and melty like this. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and add my toppings on. My lettuce. I like to add 2 pickles per slider. Okay, you can just do 1, but I like 2. I'm using the Grillo pickles. I love those pickles. Oh my gosh, they're so good. Add your pickles on there, and next I'm gonna add on that yummy Big Mac sauce generously. Okay, very generous with that sauce, and then sprinkle on some chopped onions. I also add mustard and ketchup on there because I like mustard and ketchup on my Big Macs, but you don't have to. Okay, so that is it, you guys. That is it. Big Mac sliders, they are so good, so addictive. If you make these, let me know how you like them, alright? Don't forget you can get the full recipe on divascancook.com. Later.